What's up, world? All right, many of y'all have been asking me for a house tour, so I'm gonna give y'all one. It's gonna be probably the first, last, and only one, so get ready. All right, so right behind me is my gate. As you walk into my gate, this is what you see. Got the front entrance. This is the garage. It's the left side of the house. Lemon tree, got watermelons growing over there. Forgot what that is. Got a mango tree right there. So this is my water tower. Solar hot water heater up top. I'm gonna have a flower bed right here. That pipe right there that tank right there catches rainwater. You'll see all my filtration systems in my garage. It's a bunch of extra material, leftover pipes and shit. Filtration system. I got my pumps down there. All right. Oh shit, I dropped my filter. All right, we'll come back to that. Walk through the front door. It's the front porch. It's the front door. So down here is gonna be my little entertainment area. I'm gonna have a jacuzzi, pool table. Before we go in, I'm just gonna show y'all the side of the house. Side entrance. This is the side porch. Coconut tree. Another coconut tree. Septic. Entrance to my basement. Got a basement. I'm gonna Airbnb that part. Gotta get some stairs put in right here. Walk in through the front door. This is the living room. Big high ceilings. Front closet. Kitchen. Let's go this way first. So y'all see the kitchen. Chandelier sitting pretty. Got to get some countertops put in. If we go over here to the right, it's my side door. Y'all seen? This is my electrical room with all my solar panels and distribution board. My washer will go right there. This is the main, this is the master bedroom, my bedroom. Y'all see, spacious, big as hell. This is the master closet, master bathroom. Yeah, this shit raw. Y'all haven't seen this light. This shit is cold. So yeah, master bathroom, toilet, shower, tub right there, will be right there. Turn that off. All right, we're gonna head to the guest side of the house. Walk through the kitchen. First guest bedroom. See right into the garage. See into the front porch. Guest bathroom. It's a little dirty, never mind it. Another guest bedroom where I'm camping out because the AC I got installed in here. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole house. Besides, I didn't show you the back porch. I got the doors locked right now. I feel like opening them. But yeah, we got the back porch. Back side of the house. So yeah, 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I'll bring y'all upstairs and we're gonna end this tour. I'm about to get my wake and bake on. Going upstairs now up top. See, I got all the lights in, internal and external. I just gotta put light bulbs in. Gotta paint this floor. Got Flex Seal all over it so it don't leak. Yeah, beautiful views everywhere, man. That's my neighbor Kevin, OG Kevin, living next door. It's the upper deck. Beautiful morning. So ocean is that way. Probably see it right in the background a little bit. See that water? That's the ocean. Can see the whole town of Scenic from up here. Can see all the hills, all the big houses in the distance. And yeah, man, it gets no better than this shit right here. I got hill view and ocean view all in one sitting. This shit cost millions of dollars in the US. Don't ask me how much I paid. Not that.
So this is all that is left right now for us to fill it up. All the rocks are done. So basically, this is all that is left. Looking at it, we might probably need about 3 aboboyas to be able to fill the whole place up with these rocks. But as it stands right now, everything is looking good. As you can see, beautiful. Nice. They were clean and nice. Hello.